Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are doing something that I absolutely love doing here on YouTube. We're going to be jumping into some lip swatches, and even better, we're doing this in collaboration with a dear friend of mine. Her name is Arielle, and her YouTube channel is called Always Arielle. It is amazing. So like you guys know, lip swatches are, and like lip products, they are my largest collection in my makeup collection. And if you don't already know, Arielle does amazing product reviews both on her YouTube and her Instagram. So I approached her and I was like, hey, I see you like lippies. I like lippies. Let's do a lippy collab. So that's how this came to fruition, and honestly you guys, I am so excited. So the concept here is we picked 5 of our top lip products, lip glosses, lipsticks, or lip liners, and we switched. So Arielle is going to be trying out some of my top faves, and I have a lovely box here filled with 5 of her top products, lip products. So if you're interested to see Arielle's top 5 products on me, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. I met through YouTube first, and then we blended into Instagram, and yeah, she's just amazing. Her channel is so filled with goodies, you guys. She does palette reviews, makeup tutorials, swatches, lip product reviews, mask reviews. She is like a well-rounded beauty channel, and when I first was introduced to her channel through Queenie, who I will also leave in this video up above and down below, I entered into her channel and she was just starting out and really just playing with makeup and doing a lot of looks. And you guys, I have been watching her growth and progression on her channel, and it is amazing. She is hustling out here, you guys. She is hustling. So I'm super excited to get to collaborate with her one-on-one, and here we are. So these are Arielle's top 5, and I'm super excited because I wanted to open this on camera with you guys. So let's see what she considers her top 5 lip products ever. Brand, color, shade, you name it. So on the top of the box, it came with a little sticky note, and it says, "Love you, Chip," with the heart. I love you too, Arielle. Thank you so much for collaborating with me. I am super excited. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out of the box, this is a product by e.l.f., and it is a jelly pop. So this is a juicy gloss, and I think it's watermelon flavor. Okay, so I actually have never tried any type of e.l.f. gloss, and I don't know, we'll give this a shot. I like the packaging. It is super, super cute. And the component reminds me of like just a middle school type of lip glosses. They came in, they were clear because I was only allowed to wear clear glosses when I was in middle school. But I don't know, it just reminds me of those days, and I cannot get it out the box. Okay, so here is the gloss. It is just super, super cute. Love it. Okay, so let's give this a lip swatch, and it says, yes, the flavor, the scent is watermelon pop. Yep, definitely reminds me of middle school, like even the applicator. Okay. So the gloss definitely is giving off that watermelon scent. So if you don't like watermelon, and I'm kind of like on the fence, I don't know, I'm kind of like with watermelon, but this definitely has that watermelon scent. It's not sticky, which I like, and it really just feels like a thicker chapstick. It's not very like high shine, but it still gives you that kind of, you're wearing something, but you don't really want to like fuss about color and all that. So this would be a very like good everyday, something to just like pop on, you know? You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? So I am excited about this. So I'm definitely going to toss this in my bag. I'm actually heading on a trip to New Orleans for the weekend, so definitely this will be in there, and I will be wearing this here and there, and it's comfortable. I like it. I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have 4 more products to try. I'm going to leave this to the side, and I'm going to just try and do some mix and matching here and there. Okay, and the next thing that I'm pulling out of the box, this is by ColourPop. Okay, cool. So this is a ColourPop Luxe lipstick. and this is in the shade Liquid Courage, and it is a cream finish. Now I do have a few ColourPop lipsticks, and that's something I was really interested in. I was curious if we maybe had the same type of lipstick exchange, or if there was a lipstick already in our collection that we sent each other. So that's gonna be interesting. Let's see, so this is in Liquid Courage, and I don't think I have this shade. So let's give this a swatch. Oh no, it came a little damaged. So it looks like the top of the lipstick kind of pushed up against the lid, which is fine. It's fine. I still really want to try this lipstick out, and it looks like a really nice berry tone. So let's give this a swatch. Like, you guys, this is such a gorgeous shade. It is the perfect red berry shade on me. With just a basic liner, some highlights, I am set to go. This is stunning. So I'm super excited about this lipstick. Now, I do have several ColourPop Luxe lipsticks, but I don't have this shade, which I'm like, why didn't I pick this up? Because this is so gorgeous. So thank you so much, Arielle. I am loving this. This is definitely up my alley. Bright, bold, but still like everyday chic. You know, like, I love it. I would definitely have to put on some lashes just to like fulfill my inner look in like this. Yeah, with some lashes, I am complete. But I love it. So definitely that is in my collection. I am so stoked about this lipstick, and I love the formula of ColourPop Luxe. I did a full swatch of the shades that I do have, and I'll link that video up above and down below if you haven't seen it. It is just amazing. There are amazing shades in this brand lipsticks, and they're so comfortable. Like, that's what I love about them. They are so comfortable. So this is a great lipstick, and I am super excited to add it to my Luxe Cream collection. All right, let's jump into the next lipstick out the box. And the next thing I'm seeing is a Too Faced Melted Liquefied Long Wear Lipstick. And you guys, I again love Too Faced. So Arielle, we have the same type of vibe here as far as lipstick companies. I love it. So yeah, Too Faced is another very prominent brand in my collection. I love their melted matte liquid lipsticks, and I also love these lipsticks as well. She got me the shade Nude. Now I think I don't think I have Nude. I don't know, probably, I don't know if I have Nude or not, but these are amazing. And again, I have done a lip swatch video on these in my collection as well. So what I love about the Too Faced Melted, just kind of like plush lipsticks, is that they smell amazing, and the applicator is so soft on the lips. It's like a really, like a cloud feeling. It's luxurious. I love it. So yeah, so let's give this a swatch. Now you do have to squeeze this just a tad, and then you'll see the product appear at the tip, and let's see. Okay, so here is the nude lipstick from Too Faced, and this is their melted line. Honestly, I love this line as well. Very comfortable on the lips, very long lasting. You do have to reapply because it doesn't like dry down to a matte finish or anything for me, but I like them. I really do like these, and that's why I have a lot of them in my collection as well. With this color, I think it works well alone and with a lip liner. So if I wanted to do like maybe a dark lip liner all over my lips and then just add this to the center, this could be a really good ombre addition as well. And I haven't dipped into these lipsticks in a hot minute, so thank you so much, Arielle, for adding one in the box, because I remember why I like it. I remember why I love them, and I'm so excited. Okay, and let's move on to the next item in the box, which I'm super excited about because this is a Buxom lip liner. So I am super excited about this because I have never tried a Buxom lip liner. The only thing from this brand I've tried are their lip glosses and their plumping ones, which I think are super intense. So I don't wear those a lot, but this one is in the shade Ransom. So the theme here that I'm getting from Arielle's type of like color range is a very nude, very everyday, and with like a pop of red, which I think is so fun because I don't actually have a lot of nudes. Surprise, surprise. In my collection, I have a lot of bright colors. Ooh, this is so cool. I love it. Why are they two ends? Is there something to do with... Oh, that's cool. So you have the liner and then you have a lip brush. Oh, how funky cool is that? Okay, so this is in the shade Ransom, so let's give this a try. So this is a very soft, like pinkish nude, and I would definitely do a darker liner with this as well. And ooh, let's put on the gloss on top of it and see what that looks like. But for as far as the pencil goes, I like it. I really do like the application. I like just the feel of the pencil. It's nice and weighted, and it looks like you have a good amount of product. So 0.07 ounces or 2.1 grams. And then this brush is super, super cool. So I guess when I'm doing like maybe a lipstick on top, I can use a brush to really just make sure the lipstick is on point. So we're gonna go back in with the e.l.f. Watermelon Lip Gloss, and I just wanna apply this on top and see what that looks like, because why not? Cute. That's like a baby pink type of lip combination. So that's nice. I still would do a darker lip liner just to kind of blend it into my skin tone a little bit better. But as far as adding the lip gloss, I like the way the lip gloss is sitting on top of the liner, and I am impressed. I am super impressed, and now I have my very first Buxom lip liner in my collection, so that is fun. All right, so let's go into our very last lip product. Okay, and the last lip product in the box, this is by Too Faced. And this is the Natural Nudes Intense Color Coconut Butter Lipsticks. And this I do not have in my collection as well. The packaging on here is super cute. I love it. Okay, so this, the name of this is Strip Search, which is super interesting. Yeah, so I never picked up any of these lipsticks either. And let's give this a open, and ooh, that is a really cute lipstick tube. That's adorable. It's got like some floral lace patterns, and let's open this up. Again, a very nude lipstick, so let's give this a swatch. Wow, that feels amazing, like so amazing. Okay, so this is again the Too Faced, and what was this? The coconut infused lipstick. This feels, oh, this smells amazing. And I was like, when I was putting it on, I was like, wow, like this feels so soft on the lips, very moisturizing. So that's really nice, especially after doing some lip swatches. This is a nice one to end it on. And honestly, I am really liking it. I'm loving the feel of this. Now, this definitely will transfer. The color for this, for me, again, very light. So I would definitely add maybe a darker lipstick and then use this as an ombre. But I'm loving it. I am actually really loving it. All right, so that completes this video of Arielle's top 5 lip products, and I am so excited that we got a chance to collaborate one-on-one. And again, please go check out her channel. And if you're interested to see the lipsticks that I chose out for her, my top 5 brands and also lipstick, lip glosses, and different lip products, then please go check out her video. It is linked down below as well. And Arielle, thank you. I cannot say how much I am grateful for you for just sending me a nice box of lipsticks and also introducing me to this beautiful lipstick right here. Like, I am blown away. Definitely picking out more colors from here. And also I have a Boxum lip liner that I have never tried before. So that was fun. And it's good. It was really cool to kind of just see that we had the same type of like Too Faced love, enthusiastic feeling towards their lip products. So that's always a plus. Okay guys, so that is all I have for this video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a moment with me. I really hope you enjoyed these lip swatches. And if you're coming back, thank you again for all the love and support. Please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and you'll be notified on videos that I post to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.